Welcome to our guided meditation session designed to help you manage and alleviate chronic pain. Today we'll explore how the power of meditation can create a space of comfort and ease within your body and mind. Chronic pain is not just a physical sensation. It's an experience that can profoundly affect your emotional and mental well-being. Meditation offers us a way to address pain from a holistic perspective, providing relief not only on a physical level, but also promoting healing and peace in our emotional landscape. Through this practice, we'll learn to observe our pain without judgment, understand its nature, and discover how to bring a sense of calm and acceptance to our experience. Remember, this time is for you. A chance to connect deeply with yourself and find a sanctuary of peace within your own being. As we move through today's session, I encourage you to maintain an open heart and mind, allowing the transformative power of meditation to work within you. Before we begin, let's take a moment to prepare our environment and ourselves for meditation. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, lie down, or choose any position where your body feels most at ease. Adjust your surroundings to suit your comfort, perhaps dimming the lights, ensuring the room temperature is pleasant, or placing a cushion or blanket for support. Once you're settled, gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment, setting aside the events of the day and give yourself permission to be fully present. This is your time, a sacred space for healing and self-care. Let's transition into a state of full body relaxation. Begin at the very top of your head. Imagine a sense of warmth and lightness starting there, slowly spreading downwards. With each breath, this soothing sensation moves from the top of your head, down your forehead, softening the eyes, unclenching the jaw, and easing any tension in your facial muscles. Allow this warm, comforting feeling to flow down your neck and shoulders, a place where many of us hold stress and tension. Visualize the muscles there unwinding, releasing, becoming loose and limp. With every exhale, let go a little more, feeling your shoulders drop away from your ears, your neck softening, creating space between each vertebrae. As this wave of relaxation travels further down, let it sweep through your arms, all the way to your fingertips, and down through your chest and back. Imagine any discomfort dissolving, any pain diminishing as this wave progresses. Let your torso become light and free of tension. Your breathing easy and unobstructed. Continue to guide this wave down through your hips, legs, and feet until you feel a sense of complete relaxation from head to toe. Embrace this feeling of full body relaxation, allowing yourself to be fully supported, safe, and at peace. Now that we're deeply relaxed, let's gently turn our awareness to our bodies with a guided body scan, focusing specifically on areas where we experience pain. Start at the top of your head once more, but this time, gently observe any sensations you encounter as you mentally scan down your body. If you come across areas of discomfort or pain, don't try to change or resist these sensations. Instead, acknowledge them with kindness and without judgment. Imagine your breath reaching these areas, carrying warmth and compassion. As you exhale, picture the discomfort softening, the edges of the pain blurring and dissolving. Move your awareness slowly from your head, down your neck and shoulders, through your torso, arms, and hands, and then through your hips, legs, and feet. This mindful observation helps us not only to recognize where we hold pain, but also to understand that we are not our pain. We are observers of it, capable of bringing ourselves relief and compassion. In areas where you notice pain, let's apply a focused breathing technique. Direct your breath to these areas as if you could breathe into them directly. Envision the in-breath as a wave of healing energy arriving at the site of your pain. Hold the breath there for a moment, allowing its warmth and light to fill the space. As you breathe out, imagine the pain being carried away with the breath, leaving your body and dissipating into the air. Continue this practice, breathing into the pain, then breathing out relief. This process may not eliminate the pain entirely, but it can significantly reduce its intensity and your emotional reaction to it, bringing a sense of ease and acceptance. In this next part of our meditation, let's focus on acceptance and letting go. Pain often brings resistance, both physical and emotional, which can amplify our suffering. In this moment, gently explore the concept of accepting your pain. This doesn't mean giving up or admitting defeat. Rather, it's acknowledging your experience as it is, without judgment or anger. As you breathe in, acknowledge your pain's existence. As you breathe out, imagine letting go of the struggle against it. Envision each exhale as an opportunity to release tension, resistance, and any negative feelings tied to your pain. This process is not about erasing pain, but about changing your relationship with it, reducing the emotional weight it carries. Practice this acceptance and letting go with each breath, allowing yourself to be with your pain in a compassionate and non-judgmental way. Notice any shifts in your perception or feelings as you embrace this approach. Having practiced acceptance, let's now work on reconnecting with our bodies in a positive and affirming way. Chronic pain can lead to a sense of alienation from one's body. It's time to rebuild that relationship with kindness and gratitude. Focus on the parts of your body that are working well, that are free from pain. Send gratitude to your feet for carrying you, your hands for their ability to touch and feel, your eyes for allowing you to see beauty. By acknowledging the functionality and resilience of various body parts, you reinforce a positive connection and appreciation for your body. Envision your body as a loyal friend, doing its best despite the pain. Offer it your kindness and understanding, recognizing its effort and strength. This positive reconnection can shift your focus from pain and limitation to ability and gratitude. As we conclude our meditation session, I want to leave you with a final moment of relaxation. Take one more deep breath, filling your lungs with air, feeling your body from within. As you exhale, release any remaining tension or discomfort. Allow your body to feel light, peaceful, and at ease. Carry this feeling of calm with you, knowing that you have the tools and the strength to manage your pain and improve your well-being. Remember that this practice, this sanctuary of peace, is always here for you whenever you need it. Thank you for sharing this time with me. May you have a restful, pain-free day or night ahead. Be well, take care of yourself, and remember that you are not alone in your journey. Goodbye for now, and I wish you all the best on your path to healing and peace.